I'm Stephanie with Studio Longoria. Today I'm going to show you how to recycle your old cardboard boxes and turn them into weaving looms. Let's get started. Using a ruler and a Sharpie, draw a rectangle that is 6 inches wide and 9 inches tall. Cut along the lines you drew. This will leave you with a piece of cardboard that is 6 inches wide and 9 inches tall. Draw a 1/2 inch border on all 4 edges of your cardboard. On the short edges of your cardboard, draw marks that are 1/4 of an inch apart. Once you've drawn your marks, use an X-Acto knife to cut slits through your cardboard down to the border. Create a shuttle for your yarn by cutting an H shape out of cardboard. Wrap your yarn around this H shape. Repeat this step for all the different colors of yarn you plan to use. Wrap your loom with your yarn. Tape down the loose end to the backside of your loom. Slide the yarn through the slits that you cut 1/4 inch apart. Wrap from front to back. Once you've wrapped the entire loom, you're going to cut the end and tape it down to the back side. Tie your yarn to the warp thread. Move your shuttle through the warp, going over and under each thread. Start your next color above the first. Leave a 2-inch tail of yarn at the beginning and end of each color. Repeat step 9 with each new color. Using a yarn needle, tuck the tails of the yarn into the woven areas. Cut the yarn across the back, then tie the loose bottom strings together. Weave a dowel rod through the top warp strings. Then tie the loose strings together around the dowel rod. Trim the top strings, then add a piece of yarn to the dowel for hanging. Finish off by trimming the bottom fringe. Thanks for joining me.